I made 1,000 paper cranes. I thought that you would stay, but you left me anyway. Maybe I will be okay. Out the door, there's nothing more that I can say to make you stay. What was it for? I'm not that sure. As I watched you fly away, just like the 1,000 paper cranes.